Hello, today we are going to make a collage using opposites. And so what you need to do is get yourself a basket or a box and go collecting in your home or in your garden. I want you to look for all sorts of things that may be opposites. Here I have a collection that I found in my garden. Old things and new things, long things and short things, shiny and matte things, all sorts of items inside and out your house you'll be able to find. Once you've got that, the next thing you need to do is get yourself ready with a piece of paper on a table, so that because you're going to be working with glue. This is the glue that we're going to use. It's very sticky and you want to protect the table. I have a pot of glue, and in order to get it out I use a long stick, and I can dab it on easily. So see what you can find in your home. It needs to be a good strong glue so that the things stay attached. You're also going to need a pair of scissors. These are the scissors that are safest for you to use, and because they're the children's style scissors. But you may find that you're going to need stronger scissors, for instance, when you get your box ready. When you get your card ready, you have to cut it out from a box, and you'll notice that it's pretty tough. So you're going to need to ask your mum or dad to help you with cutting out your rectangle piece of card for you to stick on. There are also another pair of scissors that I suggest today, and that is if you're cutting material, because you need a nice sharp pair. But again, mum or dad will have to help you use those. All right, so once you've got all of your materials ready, you can start. This is what I designed today. This is my collage, and you will notice that I have arranged everything in the opposites in pairs. First of all, I got a piece of red wool and I wound it all the way around, a nice long piece, and then a short piece at the top, because the opposite of long is short. Then I found in my basket an old brown leafy stick and a nice new fresh one, so that would be old and new. Next of all, I put in a pod with beans already in it, so it's full of beans, and then this one is quite empty. Over here I collected some leaves of different types, so you'll see there's a round leaf and a spiky leaf. That's an opposite. There's an old leaf, there's a green new leaf, that's also an opposite. Over here I have a very interesting leaf because it has both opposites on it. You'll notice that it has spikes all the way down the side, and in the middle it's nice and soft and smooth. So the opposite of spiky is smooth. In this corner I put some matte tissue paper and some shiny foil. Over here a heavy stone and a light feather, or this could be hard and soft. Over here I found some pieces of plastic. One was quite see-through and the other wasn't, so this would be an opposite. When we can't see through something, we call it opaque. Over here I have a soft cotton wool and a very hard nut. And then in this corner you'll notice I have a clean bottle top and a dirty bottle top. So what you need to do is take your glue and stick down all of the different things that are on your page. So you can start with the clear wrap, and just a little touch of glue will make it stay in place, so that when you pick it up it's going to stay together. So that will be how you carry on. Now another thing that you can do, which is also a type of collage, and what I tried today, was I went into my material box and I found that I could see many different opposites in my basket of scraps. So here we go. This would be rough, and this is also quite rough, just a little bit softer. So rough and smooth and shiny. And then these ones are patterned, and this one is plain. So you can have patterned and plain, you can have rough and smooth, and they are all opposites that you can find in your material books. So now it's your turn to go into your home and garden to find some opposites and see what a collage that you can make with all of those different pairs of opposites. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.